Hey everybody!
Hi.
Welcome back! And for this one, we are drawing
Steve.
Steve from Minecraft, the movie. Here we go!
Yeah, man, so we ready to do a Minecraft Steve, the blocky
Minecraft.
one.
Okay, easy. So, we are starting with the eyes. So, yeah, in the middle, we're going to draw two round eyes. I hope I am in the middle. That's good enough. Okay, and we are drawing two pupils. And now, okay, you got your pupils? Okay, so your head is going to be rather big. That's fine, it's fine. We keep on drawing. And I'm drawing eyebrows. Oh, I colored it already, so I'm making it black. I'm going to keep it black. And now we draw a nose. And from under the nose, remember this Steve guy has a goatee. So we need to draw a bit of a shape here. Okay, I'm going to add a smile. And now over the smile, we're going to draw another shape there. Go down that side, go down this side, and down again. We'll make it on the other side so we have a symmetrical beard. Yes.
Okay.
And tuck it under the lip there, under his smile. You got that?
Okay.
So now the side of his head. Actually, we start this. Oh, you got a bit of a cough there. So we started from the side of his nose over there.
Okay.
And we do the same thing on the other side. And that's the side of his head going up. Now we draw his hair just like that. He's got long hair, so just curl a line over there. And we do the same thing on the other side. And now, from the bottom here, we draw a little U shape with the ends curved in. And we add another lobe to that. Another one that side. And we just make this a beard up there. And we go that way as well. And see, we got a beard.
Yep.
Okay, we can add an ear there. We add an ear that side. Oh, this cough's got you bad, eh? Okay, so now we draw a long ear coming down and we can make it long like that. Quick. And there's our head. Let me see yours. Okay, so we've got Steve from the Minecraft movie's head.
Yes.
Okay, so we both got as Jack Black, and yours actually looking off to the side. What's he looking at? What you got there? Before we continue, please like and subscribe to the video.
Yep.
And obviously you'll get to see more as we go along. And now, Izzy, we're gonna draw his shirt. From here on out, it should be straightforward. We're gonna have to keep his body smaller since our head is so big, okay?
Yeah.
So we draw a little V shape down there. And an outer line to the same V shape. And that's the shirt he's wearing.
Yep.
And now we draw shoulders. Shoulders coming out. And we draw a fat stomach. And we draw the bottom of his top. And now, watch this. I'm drawing a cuff sleeve there. And on the same side. Same thing on the other side rather. Now we do his hands coming down. And I'm gonna give him 5 fingers.
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, just count till 5. And same thing here. Thumb is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So he's got 5 fingers on each
Yep.
hand. That should be good. Now, so with our limited space, his legs is going to be short. So we add the legs. Just through lines coming down on either side, and lines going down from the middle. And you can draw pockets on his pants. And we finish up the bottoms here. Got that?
Yep.
And now, shoes, just like that. my right shoe is weird. And there we have it, everybody. That's our Steve from the Minecraft movie, the Jack Black Steve. Let's see yours. That's right. That's perfect. Okay, so we've got blue and brown shoes.
Yes.
Yes, and he's got brown hair with grey bits in the middle and the sides. Am I right?
Yep.
Okay, let's color. Here we go.
Yep. That's why I want the Minecraft movie.
And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
That's our Steves. We've got our colors going, and yeah, show you, man. So we've colored them in, and we are done. We're all done with the drawings. So thanks for watching, everybody.
Yep.
Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos, and always remember to be good
Have fun.
and have fun. Bye.
I am Steve.
I am Steve.